JVC Everio MG130. This is the remote that it comes with. Now, if you didn't know, you can just pull out the plastic tab in order to start using it. I want to show you, if you want to replace the battery in it, all you have to do is pull it out like that. And it uses these CR2025 batteries, okay? And you're just going to put it in the tray like this, and you're just going to push it in, okay? Now some of the things you can do, you can start a recording. So let's start a recording by hitting the start and stop sign. So right now it's actually recording a scene, which is just a wall at the moment, but you can zoom in and out with the remote, and you can zoom back out with the remote, and then you can stop the recording. Okay. Right now it's actually recording a scene, which is just a wall at the moment, but you can zoom in and out with the remote, and you can zoom back out with the remote, and then you can stop it. So you stop the recording. Now, you got this button, playlist, date. You can remove the date. So if I do that, it gets rid of the date on the display. And if you put it back in, it does that. And then you can check your battery life by hitting the index button right there. Let's go into the main menu so you can see what else we can do with this. So when we're in the main menu inside the camera, we can do a playlist. So if we hit that, we can do a brand new playlist. You can edit and you can rename, and you can also delete a playlist. And you can just toggle down like that or go back up like that. And then we can just go out. I'm not going to get into the playlist and stuff. So that's what you can do with the remote from the inside. Now, we also have this single shot, so you can do a single shot, and you got info. So if you hit that, it gives you the information as to what file you have on there. So it gives you the file name, the folder, the date, and then how long of a time, plus the quality, and if it's got protection on or off. So you can do that just by hitting the info button. The other thing I want to show you is if you go into the camera mode to do some pictures, right? So there's your way to take a picture, and let me get out of there. So the single shot right now, the way it's set up, we can do a single shot, and it makes a noise. It took a picture right with the remote control. So that's what the single shot is. So you can also do it with the start and stop button. Oh, that's just for recording. So you would do it with this button here. That takes a photo. Let's do it one more time. See, took a photo. And if you do the info, it's just like the other ones. If you go into the main menu and you're going to hit info, it's going to give you all the information as far as it's going to show you the picture number, the folder it's in, the date, and then the resolution, the quality, and if protection is off and on. So you can do that all with the remote control. There are some different functions here. You can go up and down. Let's get out of the info mode, and you can go up and down and go into the different pictures and settings. You can look at all the different shots that you took with the remote. You can go left or right, and there it is. So hope that was useful to you. CR2025 are the batteries it uses, and this might come in handy if you're filming from a far away distance and you need to stop and record a little video or take some pictures. You can do it all with this remote control, which is RMB750U JVC.